Tiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. That will help the channel. With this said, let's start the review. Today is a different one. Our friends in Banggood have sent us a Road Hunter, a 4wd EP off-road truck. And guys, this big boy here is fast, really fast. So I will tell you all about this RC car, and I will tell you how to buy it, where to buy it, the price, all the specifications, and you will see it how it runs. And it runs fast and is really strong. So no further ado, let's start with the price. The price tag of the Zroad is £101.17 at the moment of this recording. There is a discount of 18%. For our viewers in the US, the price tag is $130.99 with the same 18% discount. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them out for best price and product information. Inside of the box you have the RC car, and is ready to run out of the box with the chassis and electronics configured, and the body painted and detailed. The only requirements to get it up and running are 4 AA batteries for the transmitter and the battery pack for the truck. You can get the Zroad with 2 or 1 battery packs. The one in review today have 2 battery packs. Inside of the box you have also a USB charging cable and a manual. The body is the typical RC Lexan polycarbonate shell that has been pre-painted and have some stickers for more detail and realism. It is attached to the chassis with 2 metal pins that you will need to remove to see the chassis and to change the batteries, for example. At the end of the Zroad you have a wing. Really cool, it's also on the same material of the body and can be removed if it gets damaged, for example. The tires are made of a rubber material and they are high grip wheels. The Zroad will be okay for all types of trucks. Let's check the chassis now. It's a pretty standard. It's a 10 scale on-road electric platform that's all-wheel drive. It has an independent suspension throughout and uses active differential system. It has a front and rear independent suspension. A nice and strong chassis with 2 bumpers, one in the front and one in the rear to absorb the hits. Most of the parts of the Zroad are made of plastic and aluminum alloy for strong stability, and I can tell you that the Zroad is built to last, but more on that later in the video. The power system used is the ESC 50A brushed ESC, and that's got a T-style battery connector. The motor is a 550 brushed. The servo is a F3.5 kilograms. Next, let's see how the Zroad performs. Driving on a road surface, we found that the rubber tires had a good amount of grip. Turning is pretty sharp, and as you can see, if you get on the gas, the Zroad will pull some impressive power. We had a good time, it's really quick and responsive. Next, we are going to see some driving in the grass and some jumping. And oh boy, if we enjoy the jumps. As you can see, the Zroad is pretty strong. After all the jumping and off-road driving, the Zroad was like new. Well, a bit dirty, I would say. So, for £100, you will get a great quality RC car with 2 batteries that will last around 20 minutes each. It's very fast and goes on all surfaces. It's built to last. A great RC car if you are just starting on the RC world and don't want to break the bank. And that's it guys, this was my review on this bad boy. As you guys can see, it's all dirty, sorry. But as you guys seen in the video, it's quite fast, strong, although like I told you guys in the video, it's plastic, but it's very strong, and yeah, I will say it's a thumbs up for this RC car. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them out for the best price of the car and for other products that you are interested. So guys, that's all for today. I wish you guys a lovely day with your families and friends. Thiago here, and I'll catch you in the next one.